And when they see you eating broke, niggas like PC. I know niggas capping, they like you gotta believe me. I send out the package, Brody in the field receiving. Nigga for them rackies, have you fighting with some demons. But it ain't no fighting, they gon' up it and delete them. Hit that boy with arrows, nigga fuck a pint, we pouring lean up out the barrel. Bad bitch in Chicago, she got more chicken than Harold. Bad bitch in Chicago, ride her dick like a bull. I swear she always hungry, eat the dick till she full. Think I signed with Lil Baby, I got 4 pockets. Think a nigga born in Houston, I got more rockets. 30s at your door with choppers and they won't knock it. And my brody still up in the trap, gotta go clock it. I swear that he pussy, he act tough, cause the hoes watch it. I swear I can outshine these niggas wearing no watches. Silly niggas worry about my bag, tell them don't watch it. Think I'm from Japan, how I hold chopsticks. Remember had to go out and finesse, I had no options. Remember when that back door was open, had to go lock it. I got a new baddie, old bitch say I'm so toxic. Went up in the head so I won't cock it. Old enemies and some new options. Nigga worth a check, I can't move sloppy. I got bougie hoes, but